Assalamualaikum. Learning using this AR is more interesting for students to try. This is because students can see visual in 2D to 3D form. Students are more excited to see the plan that has been designed, and this can also help student imagination to see a clearer picture in a given plan. If you want to see some information, you can click here for example notes. Then the information will go up. So here.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nadira binti Nuruzan. I'm from class DWB4A. So my lecturer suggested me to use some AR apps. So this is for my learning. So I'm gonna show you some video about how the AR apps working. Okay, so I'm gonna show you some video about how AR apps working. First, you have to print out the drawing. Okay, and here you can see you can see the 3D image very clearly. You can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so here this is a reinforcement. Okay, you can see pipeline and then aggregates. It is very helpful for students in their learning about the drawing. Okay, this reinforcement is from high tensile. Okay, you can move the retaining wall. Okay, rotation. Okay, it is very easy to use it. For more information, you can click plus. Okay, after you click plus, okay, you can see in the main menu have a notes on diagram walls, sample of description, standard method, SMM, okay, video on the construction of retaining walls. Okay, so based on the video, I think this AR app is very helpful for students to improve their knowledge about the drawing, because we can see the drawing is like real and it's better than 2D. Students also can understand easily, and lastly, I hope these apps can help more students in their learning and also give benefit to them.